Hello guys, welcome to the WebAppick channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create a wish.com product feed for WooCommerce. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how exactly we can do this. Let's go ahead and create a new feed. Click on new feed. Let's keep the country at United States. For template, we'll be choosing wish.com. There we go. Let's give it a name, wish1. For feed type, we need to choose CSV. Once you have done that, now here we can see all the different required attributes for wish.com. As you can see, I've got the main URL, price, product name, quantity, shipping, tags, parent unique ID SKU, and description. Let me just rearrange this so it looks a little bit better. So I'll put the unique ID at first, then the parent unique ID, and let me put the description right here. You can see all the values are already populated as expected. For shipping, this is basically the shipping cost. So I'll put this as pattern and let's say it's $10. So I'll put 10 right here. If you want to find more about these attributes, you can go to your wish.com, and where you're adding your products, you'll see all the details for the required attributes. Let's scroll down. This is the sizing list. And as you can see here, you can see all the different required attributes and the optional attributes that you can put up for your feed. As you can see, this is what the description should look like. The unique ID has to be a unique ID or a SKU number. The product name. And we've got localized shipping as well, which is basically the shipping cost. The quantity and the image URL are pretty straightforward. So as you can see here in our feed, we have everything sorted out at this point. Let's go ahead and update and generate this feed. There we go, our feed has been generated. Now we are ready to upload this into our wish.com. Let me download this file. Right now we are inside wish.com homepage. To add a new product, click on products. Click on add new products. Since we are uploading it from our CTX feed, so we'll be choosing product CSV file. After that, if you want a step-by-step guide, you can click on this hyperlink, which is going to provide you with more information on how exactly you can upload your CSV file. Basically, we'll have to first create the CSV file, which we have done in CTX feed already, upload it, map the columns that we've created in CTX feed with wish attributes, preview it, and submit it. Let's go ahead and do that right now. As you can see here, we can see the sizing charts for men and women. And if we scroll further down, we can see all the different required attributes and the optional attributes that you can have in your feed. Since you've already created our feed, let's go ahead, scroll down and click on upload the CSV file. Let's find our CSV file. There we go, wish test. 1 delimiter is comma, that's all good. Let's go ahead and upload it. Once you have clicked upload to your CSV file, you'll be presented with this screen where you're mapping the wish attributes against the attributes that you have in your CSV file. As you can see, they have already pre-populated it with all the different columns that we have here. Unique ID is required as well. This is empty, so I'll use unique ID /SKU. Let's choose that. There are at least 5 rows that could be improved in this CSV, and they're displayed in yellow. Let's click OK, and let's see what can be improved. If we scroll all the way down, as you can see, these are all the different optional attributes that they have. There you go. They're saying since this is a clothing item, adding color and size will make it better. However, adding these attributes are optional for us. All you have to do to add sizes and colors is go back to your feed. Click here, add the relevant attributes under add new attribute. So in this case, it's going to be color and size. Go back and upload it, and you won't have this error message. But this error message will not stop our upload. Also, at the same time, if you have any further error messages that will not let you upload the file, you'll see them in red instead of yellow. For now, since this is in yellow, we should be able to push through this upload. Let's go ahead and click submit. As you can see, they have said successfully we have loaded the queue. The import will finish within 24 hours and will send us an email. So let's go ahead and view the import status page. As you can see, right now it's queued and this job is waiting to be run. This will take a little bit of time. Now, as you can see in our product status upload page, all our products have been successfully uploaded. It does say that it might take up to 12 hours for our products to appear in Wish. All the 9 items are added. If you want, you can view them all. There we go. If there are any errors when you're uploading the files, you should be able to see in the status page and make the changes accordingly. Right now, if you wanted to take a look at your products, click on Product and click on View All Products. Now if we scroll down, we can see all our products that's going to be uploaded right now. The images are still pending and they're still going through the motions. Right now, all these products are set on pending review. Soon, once it's approved by wish.com and is approved, we should be seeing this in our wish.com page. If we take the pending review out, as you can see, you can't see any of the products. But if we put them back in, we can see these trying to go through. So right now we can assume all our products are on pending review. There you go guys. Now you know how you can create a wish.com product feed for WooCommerce. If you have any questions or issues, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webappick.com. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.